Good morning, students. Now, our topic is about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? What are the reasons of noise pollution? And what should be the remedies taken for prevention of noise pollution? Now, first, what is what is noise pollution? What is NP? What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the pollution made by sound when the loudness of sound will exceed the acceptability of the loudness of sound in our ear, in the ear of human beings. WHO, World Health Organization, has fixed and suggested not more than 65 decibels as a safe sound. We have already stated that the practical unit of loudness of sound is decibel, and if the loudness of sound be within 45 decibel, that will be very safe sound. And actually the maximum loudness of sound should be 65 decibel for hearing the sound safely by the human beings. So if it is asked what should be the loudness of safe sound, that will be 65 decibel. It is fixed by WHO or WHO, World Health Organization. Now we are creating sounds having much loudness, that is loudness greater than 65 decibels by the loudspeaker. Even in the houses we make sound by increasing the loudness level in the TV, in the radio, etc. And in the cars, the electric horn, the sound of electric horn is more dangerous, and its loudness is greater than 65 decibel. The sound coming from the industries also having loudness greater than 65 decibels. So noise pollution takes place by those sounds. So the synopsis is that noise pollution is made by the sound having frequencies greater than 65 decibel, having loudness greater than 65 decibel. So we have to see that the sound must be produced and heard which have frequencies less than 65 decibel. For making noise pollution, for occurring noise pollution, those sounds are responsible which have loudness greater than 65 decibels and which are emitting from loudspeaker, industries, firecrackers, horns, that is electric horns, etc. And then noise pollution takes place. And what are the harmful effects of noise pollution? For noise pollution, if we hear the sound greater than 65 decibels, irritating sensation is made to the human body, and due to a very loud sound, our heart may be blocked. I think you know, in the Second World War, when the atom bombs are burst in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, due to the sound of bombing, many hearts were blocked and many persons were died only for sound of bombing. If we regularly hear the sound having loudness greater than 65 decibel, then our blood sugar may be increased, diabetic may be taken place, and deaf and dumb. We may lose the capacity of hearing, etc. are the harmful effects of this noise pollution. Now we have to prevent the noise pollution. What are the ways for prevention of noise pollution? Prevention of noise pollution. Reasons for noise pollution should be removed for prevention of noise pollution. What is that? We have to make the sound having frequencies less than 65 decibel. Less than 65 decibel. Sound having frequencies less than 65 decibel should be made. And for this, we have to see the firecrackers which make sound should be totally prohibited. Firecrackers, number one, firecrackers which make sound should be totally prohibited, because the sound of firecracker is not mandatorily required for amusement. It is totally harmful for human beings, for the ear of the human beings, for the mind of the human beings, for the heart of the hearing human beings, for the brain of the human beings. So firecrackers should be totally prohibited. Number two, the loudspeakers should be played at a loudness less than 65 decibels. Loudspeakers. Firecrackers should be totally prohibited. Loudspeakers should be played in a loudness less than 65 decibels. The industries should be placed at a far distance from the localities. Electric horns should be totally prohibited. Number 5, much plantation is required. Plantation. What is the reason for plantation? Because the big trees absorb the sounds. So the sounds emitting from different places, different machines, different industries will be absorbed by the plants. So much plantation is required for absorbing sound and for prevention of sound noise pollution. You can use sound blocking things. You can use cottons in your ear also for blocking the sound. These are the remedial measures for prevention of noise pollution. And this is all about noise pollution. Thank you, my students. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.